Hey guys, this is a 95-inch drying rack. I'm just going to show you real quick how easy it is to open up and close up. So I'll break it down, and just for scale so you know, again, 95 inches fully extended. The room I'm in here now is about 13 feet. So, just like I said, for scale so you can have an idea of what you're looking at. All right, so I'll go ahead and break it down now. It's really simple. So to shrink it down, you do these corner locks here, and then these corner locks here. So you just bend those down. And then here's your kind of telescoping bar part in the middle. And I did check it when I tried to extend it to see if I could pull it out farther. You see it has locks in there, so I can't extend it farther than what it's supposed to be. Right? So you don't have to worry about falling apart that way. So it's pretty easy. Simply slide it together. I'll say one thing that I was a little bit worried about when I first started putting it together was, because you can see how the legs kind of flex as I'm doing it, I was worried that it was going to be flimsy. But it's really not. It's like once you lock these back in place, it's a lot better. So I just lock them back in and you'll see how much they straighten out. It's like these little locks make a really big difference in straightening out the legs and keeping everything in place. So that's really good there. All right, so now we're here. So now I'll go ahead and unlock these to break those down. And what you do, you just close it up a little bit, and then you'll see this bar in the middle here. This kind of threw me off a little bit too at first, because just has these tabs that kind of just sit down in there. So I wasn't sure how it worked at first either. I thought I had to like have slots or something to stick them in, but it really just drop in between the bars. All right, so anyway, you're going to take that out and fold it up, and that's it. So side view, so you can see what you're looking at.